Okay, so this is the iRig Mic Lav, and it's one of my favorite lavalier, wired lavalier microphones because it's simple to use, it's got great sound, and right here on the side, a little breakout box that comes on it, you can add another microphone. So if you had two microphones going in, you can do that. You can also plug in headphones to monitor the audio. So it's super cool. Let's listen to it and see how it sounds. Right now we've got no microphone. Here we go. Okay, so now I've got the iRig Mic Lav clipped onto my shirt right here, and you should be hearing audio a lot better than before when we had no audio. It's a great lavalier choice. I love to use it. It's got a long cord, so I'm standing probably about 3 feet away from the iPad, and I have great audio now. It's simple to use. You can add an extra one. It's a great microphone. Check out the iRig Mic Lav.